We know that the earth we live is round shaped. But how did our ancestors predict the earth shape initially? How is Tirukural related to this? To know about this concept in detail, let's get started with our video, guys, and we welcome you all to our channel, Mythical Science. Shape of earth was a huge controversy in our ancient times because some believed it to be round and some flat. But finally, our ancestors came to a conclusion with the concept of round shaped earth. Then, there are some secret descriptions in Tirukural and Rig Veda that mentions exactly about earth shape and earth movement, even before others could predict. So, the 1031st Tirukural written by Thiruvalluvar states that சுழன்றும் ஏற்பின்னது உலகம் அதனால் உழந்தும் உழவே தலை. So, the meaning of this Tirukural is, although the earth revolves around many changes, agriculture is the source of global function. So, we'll mark two important words from this Kural. One is revolves and other one is earth. So, the meaning of revolve is circular movement and the meaning of earth is the place we live. If an object is said to be revolving, it can only be round or spear shaped, but it cannot be a flat shaped object. So, as we all know, earth revolves on its own axis, as that is the motion of earth, and we also know that only round objects can undergo revolution. So, earth can only be round. According to this Tirukural, Thiruvalluvar has indirectly claimed that the earth is round shaped. Historically, the first person to define earth's shape was a Greek philosopher called Pythagoras, and he claimed this concept in 6th century BC. But the crucial point here is that we don't know the exact dating of Tirukural, and archaeologists estimate it to be about 5th century CE. However, Thiruvalluvar and our ancestors wouldn't have told us the concepts of Greek philosophers because Vasco da Gama entered India in 1498, and it may be about 1000 years after the composition of Tirukural. And some researchers and archaeologists state that no country was in contact with India before Vasco da Gama's entry. That is, nobody knows about a place India before Vasco da Gama's entry, and hence the statement Vasco da Gama discovered India appeared. So, there is no possibility that Thiruvalluvar would have had connections with Greek philosophers and told us their concepts. So, Thiruvalluvar and our ancestors were individually clear about Earth's shape. Next is about the description in Rig Veda, which clearly explains about the shape of Earth along with the movement of Earth and also about the day and night formation. And this Rig Veda is 5000 years old. What's more surprising is that a 5000-year-old scripture completely explains us about the motion of Earth and its shape. 5000 years ago is something where no humans all over the world would haven't even thought about the shape and movement of Earth. So our ancestors were so early to predict the shape and movement of Earth. On considering the descriptions from Tirukural and Rig Veda, it is clear that our ancestors were the first to describe about the shape and movement of Earth. So what do you think, guys, about our ancestral descriptions and their practices? So drop your comments about this in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Mythical Science. The blog link of this content is in the description. Kindly read it, and until then it's Team Mythical Science signing off. Bye guys, and thanks for watching.